Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you complete step-by-step guide on how to get a FASTag Annual Pass using the RajmargYatra app of the Government of India. This pass is super useful for regular highway travelers and the process is actually very simple. So let's get started. First, download the RajmargYatra app from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Then open the app and enter your mobile number registered with your FASTag. And then enter the OTP received on your mobile to login. You will see a permission pop up. Click continue and then choose whether you want to allow access to your location. After that, select your preferred language. I selected English. Now click on Annual Pass. Here the details of the pass will be displayed. You can either click on skip at the top right corner or click next to go through all the details. At the end you will see the activate option. The annual pass requires a one-time payment of 3000 rupees. Click on activate and then click on get started. Now enter your vehicle number. The app will automatically fetch the details of your FASTag ID, vehicle details and bank name. Double check everything and then click on validate at the bottom. Your details will be validated through an OTP which you will receive on your mobile number. You can also use a different mobile number for this validation if needed. Next, accept the terms and conditions and click proceed to payment. The total fee payable is 3000 rupees. On the NHI payment page, enter your mobile number and continue. Now select your preferred mode of payment, UPI, debit card, credit card or net banking, and complete your payment. And that's it. Your FASTag Annual Pass will be activated after successful payment. From now on, you won't have to worry about making separate payments at the toll plazas covered under this pass. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching and happy driving.